How is your store marketing going? It may be fine, but are you starting to worry about the increasing expensive cost of advertising and marketing? Do you want to try different promotional methods to get you to larger numbers of orders and still cost you a reasonable amount of money for your marketing spend? You've probably heard of affiliate marketing. It's a great way to expose your products to groups you've never reached before and help you sell orders and reasonably allocate and control your promotional budget. Pongo Affiliate, the highly integrated affiliate marketing platform with Shopify, can perfectly solve your problem. Pongo Affiliate is tailored for cross-border Shopify merchants. It has the resources of affiliates, influencers, and media partners in various regions of the world, including North America, Southeast Asia, China, Japan, and South Korea. As a high-quality traffic channel for Shopify merchants, Pongo Affiliate provides CPS marketing services and tracking system solutions for Shopify merchants. So now you must be wondering, how do you join the Pongo Affiliate? All you need to do is 1. Search for Pongo Affiliate in the Shopify marketplace and install it in your store. 2. Sync your store's products to Pongo Affiliate. 3. Build your own affiliate programs. Products will be grouped in each program with specific commission rates. Then release your product. Okay, now your quality, hot-selling products have already met with our influencers, webmasters, and affiliates from around the world. They will post your product on their social platforms, bring you traffic, and of course, orders. In return, you'll only be paying accordingly the commission to your promoters based on orders, safely and efficiently. We will produce unique tracking links for your products to distribute to webmasters and influencers, at the same time providing you with a full report of tracking data. How's that? I think you already have some understanding of Pongo Affiliate. What are you waiting for? Click to get started. Come see Pongo Affiliates to help your company gain additional exposure that you're looking for. We're here for you. Join us.